Hi there. Today we're going to learn how to download a backup from your WordPress site. Having a backup is a smart way to keep your website safe and have a copy ready whenever you need it. In this video, I'll show you 3 different methods to download your backup. Let's start with the first method. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on the WP Staging tab and then select Backup and Migration. Find the backup you want to download. Click on the Actions button and then select Download Backup. The download will start automatically and save the backup file to your computer. Now, let's move on to the second method. If you want to share your backup with someone, start by going to the WP Staging tab and selecting Backup and Migration. Find the backup you want to share. Click on the Actions button and this time, select Copy Backup URL. You can then share this backup URL with anyone. When they paste the link into their browser and hit Enter, the backup will automatically start downloading. Now let's move on to the third method. Access your website's root directory using FTP or your hosting panel's file manager. Once you're inside the root directory, open the WP Content folder, then the Uploads folder, and then the WP Staging folder. Inside, open the Backup folder. Here, you'll find your backup file. Simply right-click on it and select Download to start downloading the backup to your computer. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.